Hello and welcome. My name is Dr. Satyajit Patil. I am truly excited to be your instructor for this course on Blender for scientific illustration. Whether you are a student, researcher, or an educator, you are in the right place if you want to transform your scientific ideas into stunning 3D visuals. By training, I am a physicist and researcher, but I also work extensively with 3D visualization and scientific illustration. Over the years, I realized that one of the biggest challenge in research is communicating complex scientific concepts in a way that is clear, engaging, and visually appealing. That's where Blender comes in, a powerful open source 3D tool that has completely changed the way we can present and publish our scientific work. In this course, my goal is to take you from being a complete beginner to someone who feels confident using Blender for creating professional quality scientific illustrations. We won't just be learning Blender as a 3D software, we will be tailoring it to the needs of researchers and educators, focusing on lab equipments, molecules, materials, data visualization, and other real world scientific models. Here is how the course is structured. We will begin with the basics of Blender, understanding the interface, navigation, and object manipulation. Then we'll move into modeling scientific objects. Next, we will cover materials, textures, and lighting to give your models a realistic or illustrative look. We will also learn about rendering and exporting your illustrations for research papers, presentations, and even animations. And throughout the course, I will share practical tips and shortcuts that I personally use to save time and create professional results. Remember, you don't need to be an artist or designer to succeed in this course. All you need is curiosity and willingness to practice. I will guide you step by step, and by the end, you will have your own portfolio of scientific 3D illustrations that you can proudly use in your research, publications, or teaching. So, thank you for joining me on this journey. I encourage you to follow along with lessons, practice what you learn, and don't hesitate to rewatch sections wherever needed. By the end of this course, you will not only have a strong foundation in Blender, but also a valuable skill set that will make your scientific work stand out. Let's get started. I can't wait to see the amazing scientific illustrations you create with the Blender.